Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 2, Global Supply Chain Networks, Section 4, Technology Analysis and Optimization, Lesson 3, Technology Portfolio Optimization. Technology Portfolio Optimization. Welcome to Lesson 3. In the previous lessons, we analyzed individual technologies, like AI, IoT, and blockchain, and their impact on supply chains. However, businesses rarely use just one technology. They use a mix, a portfolio. In this lesson, we will explore how companies decide which technologies to invest in and how to manage them together for the best return. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define technology portfolio optimization, TPO, in a supply chain context. Explain the balance between exploitation, improving existing tech, and exploration, investing in new tech. Identify the key criteria for selecting technologies: cost, risk, fit, and ROI. Understand the concept of the digital divide in supply chains. 1. What is technology portfolio optimization? Imagine you are managing your personal finances. You wouldn't put all your money into one stock. You would diversify into stocks, bonds, and savings. You would also regularly check which investments are performing well and which are not. Technology portfolio optimization, TPO, works the same way. It is the strategic process of selecting, managing, and adjusting the mix of technologies within a company to maximize value while minimizing risk and cost. In a supply chain, this means deciding how much to spend on warehouse robots versus inventory management software versus cybersecurity tools. Beginner analogy. Think of it like a gardener tending a garden. You have different plants, technologies. Some are fully grown and need regular watering, maintenance. Some are new seeds you just planted, innovation. You have a limited amount of water and fertilizer, budget. TPO is the strategy of how you allocate resources to keep the whole garden healthy, not just one plant. 2. The core challenge. Balancing the portfolio. When optimizing a technology portfolio, supply chain managers face a classic dilemma: exploitation versus exploration. Exploitation, improving the present, goal. Get the most out of current tech. Focus. Efficiency, reliability, incremental improvement. Risk. Low, known technology. Examples. Updating your current warehouse management system, WMS. Fixing bugs in the software. Exploration, investing in the future, goal. Find new tech for future growth. Focus. Innovation, disruption, long-term survival. Risk. High, unproven technology. Examples. Piloting autonomous delivery drones, testing a blockchain pilot for traceability. The optimization challenge. If a company only focuses on exploitation, they become efficient but may become obsolete when new competitors use disruptive tech. If a company only focuses on exploration, they may run out of money on risky projects before seeing any return. Optimization is about finding the right balance. The optimization challenge. If a company only focuses on exploitation, they become efficient but may become obsolete when new competitors use disruptive tech. If a company only focuses on exploration, they may run out of money on risky projects before seeing any return. Optimization is about finding the right balance. 3. Key criteria for selecting technologies. How do managers decide which technologies make it into the portfolio? They use 4 main filters. A cost, total cost of ownership, TCO. It's not just the purchase price. TCO includes implementation costs, integration with existing systems, training costs, teaching staff how to use it, maintenance costs, monthly fees, updates, repairs. B. Strategic fit. Does this technology support the company's goals? If the goal is speed, invest in automated sorting systems. If the goal is sustainability, invest in route optimization software to reduce fuel consumption. C. Risk assessment. Implementation risk. Will the technology work as promised? Cybersecurity risk. Does this new IoT device create a security hole? Obsolescence risk. Will this tech be outdated in 2 years? D. Return on investment, ROI. How long will it take for the technology to pay for itself? E.g., if we buy this robot for $50,000, and it saves us $25,000 a year in labor, the payback period is 2 years. 4. The Technology Portfolio Matrix. To visualize the portfolio, managers often use a 2x2 matrix. This helps categorize current and future technologies. High performance, high strategic value, stars, invest and maintain. Example: cloud-based ERP system that runs smoothly. Low strategic value, cash cows, milk and monitor. Example: old but reliable fax machines for customs docs. Low performance, high strategic value, question marks, test and pilot. Example: generative AI for logistics, looks promising but unproven. Low strategic value, dogs, divest, retire. Example: outdated spreadsheets for inventory that cause errors. Goal: move, question marks, to stars. Keep, cash cows, running cheaply. Get rid of dogs. 5. Case study example: the digital divide. Imagine two competing furniture companies. Company A, traditional, uses a basic portfolio. They have an Excel sheet for inventory and a phone to call truck drivers. Their exploitation is maxed out, but their exploration is zero. They are at risk of being left behind. Company B, optimized, uses a balanced portfolio. They have a modern ERP system, exploitation, star. They still use paper backups for compliance, cash cow. They are currently testing AI demand forecasting in one region, exploration, question mark. Optimization in action. Company B reviews its portfolio quarterly. If the AI pilot, question mark, proves successful, they will allocate budget to roll it out company-wide, turning it into a new star. They will simultaneously phase out an old legacy reporting tool, a dog. Summary: technology portfolio optimization is the strategic balancing act of managing a company's entire set of technologies. The key is balancing exploitation, running the present, and exploration, inventing the future. Decisions are based on cost, fit, risk, and ROI. A healthy portfolio has a mix of reliable current systems and promising new pilots. Check your understanding. Discussion questions. Think of a company you like, e.g., Amazon, Walmart, a local bakery. What do you think is in their technology portfolio? E.g., website, barcode scanners, ovens? Why is it dangerous for a company to only invest in exploitation, only improving what they already have? If you had a budget of $100,000 for supply chain tech, how would you split it between a guaranteed efficiency upgrade, exploitation, and a risky but potentially game-changing pilot, exploration? Why? I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.